Oke, selamat datang di channel Remaja Viral. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe agar kalian tidak ketinggalan video-video terbaru dari channel ini, guys. Dan saya doakan kalian agar diberikan kesehatan serta kesuksesan. Ya, kita tahu Putri Ariani kali ini sangat-sangat membuat geger dunia musik gitu ya, guys. Karena suaranya yang sangat-sangat khas dan bagus sekali. Bahkan banyak YouTuber dari luar negeri yang mereaction Putri Ariani ini, guys. Mereka semua itu kagum dengan dengan penampilan Putri Ariani yang memiliki bakat tersendiri gitu aja. Oke, dan kali ini kita akan mereaction sebuah video yang akan kita jadikan pembelajaran dan pengamatan kita bersama. Dunia diambil ahli Putri Ariani. 7 reaction pada bengong pertama kali mendengar gemelang yang amat indah gitu. Oke, tanpa memperpanjang durasi tonton kalian, link video original ada di deskripsi paling bawah. Yuk kita menonton videonya.
Dengan suaranya yang memukau dan bakat menyanyi yang luar biasa, ia telah berhasil mencuri perhatian jutaan orang di seluruh dunia. Putri Ariani menggambarkan dengan penuh emosi perasaan yang mendalam sehingga menarik perhatian semua orang yang mendengarkan lagu tersebut. Kepopuleran Putri Ariani menyebar ke seluruh dunia. Para penggemarnya dari berbagai negara terpesona oleh vokalnya yang kuat dan penampilannya yang memukau di atas panggung. Lagu-lagu dan penampilannya terus menarik jutaan penonton di konser-konser yang ia gelar, telah berhasil merebut hati banyak orang dengan bakat dan pesona yang luar biasa. Dengan dedikasi dan semangatnya yang tak kenal lelah, ia menjadi ikon musik masa depan.
Our voice is so sweet.
Sing all night, denying all of the truth. Sing all night, denying all of the truth.
Bro, I know these are all her fingers, bro. You know, she hitting that teeny melody, and there she hitting that slow, smooth, and then there she's hitting them drum pads on that. How did she know that this is the kick? This is nah, I'm tripping, man.
Everything has changed.
Ooh.
It all happened for a reason. Down from the first stage. It isn't something we thought for. Never wanted this kind of pain. Turn myself so cold and heartless, but one thing you should know.
Wow, viewers and my subscribers, she is multi-talented. Wow, I did think that she only can play the keyboard, but guys, she also can play other instruments. I am not surprised still, guys, because trust me, when it comes on to Indonesia's artists, they are so amazing when it comes on to instrument playing. Guys, beautiful instrument.
Oh my God, bro. Let me just stand up for a little bit, man. No way, no way, no way, no way. No way. Oh.
What? Wait. No. Hold on. How is she? How is she? How is she playing the same notes on the xylophone back and forth? How did she learn that? I mean, I can get muscle memory, but still. Yo. She had to adjust with the tempo there a little bit. Incredible. That is mind blowing. How is she doing that?
Man, like.
Wow, this is beautiful, guys. Oh, yes.
Totally blown, flabbergasted. Just take a look at those pimples on my skin. Goodness, she is a bundle of talent. She's gifted, she's amazing. She doesn't only sing, she also plays instrument perfectly. To think that it was written that 89 audio track was arranged by her. Come on, come on. I give it to her, man. I give it to her. Guys, everything about the song is amazing. And the part where I was totally blown away, where I saw her playing the instruments. Guys, this is so amazing. This is beautiful. I give it to her. Ariana, you're amazing. The sky is just a starting point. You're doing well. You're doing amazing. You're doing great. You're going places. And I want to take a moment to appreciate her team. I don't know who these people are. The people working behind the scene with her. They are amazing. Her management, they are doing so well. Doing everything to put her, direct her, help her utilize her God-given talent. It's not easy. Her mom, her dad, thank you so much for all you do for her.
89 audio tracks. That is incredible. How is she doing that? Putri Ariani, bow down. Respect. Massive respect. Massive respect. At first, I was like, you're adorable. I want to hug you. Now, I think I'm just gonna... Nah. She's already taken over the world.
I don't even listen, she is just so impressive. I don't even know what to say. I mean, when y'all seen her on that, doing that instrument, like she physically may not be able to see with these two eyes, but her senses are just on point. Even though I could see eyes over here, but even with my glasses, I still feel like I would mess up doing that. I still feel like I would mess up. But some people are just born to do certain things, and she was born to be a musical person. Like that is just who she is. She's a child of music. She's incredible. Seriously,
Wow. Like, seriously. Wow. She tore that up. You're talking about top tier, top quality talent. For her to be able to do what she was doing like that, to be able to play each and every instrument, to be able to play with the mixer, to change up her voice, and to amplify it and make it that much more better. Truthfully, man, she is advanced beyond her years.
Such amazing talent, guys. Wow. This young lady, sky is the limit. Our future is very bright. There is many doors gonna be open for this young lady. I mean, the first time I discover her is on Simon's show. That talented show. Her voice is so beautiful.
Oke guys, jadi segitu yang kita reaction, dan banyak sekali ya kita lihat reaction dari luar negeri yang sangat-sangat support kepada Putri Ariani. Karena memang suaranya juga bagus sekali gitu ya guys, dan banyak membuat orang merinding juga, dan ya tak bisa berkata lah. Bahkan sampai Simon Cowell langsung memberikan golden buzzer kepada Putri Ariani. Amazing. Oke, apa tanggapan kalian? Tulis di kolom komentar, kita berdiskusi di situ. Sekian video kali ini, dan mungkin jika ada kesalahan kata dari saya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.